Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel Unity Car. We're diving deep into the 2025 Lexus RS, a car that blends elegance and performance seamlessly. The first thing that catches your attention is its bold, aggressive stance. Lexus has truly designed the RS to make a statement on the road. From its sleek lines to its muscular proportions, every aspect of the exterior exudes sophistication and power. Starting with the front, the 2025 Lexus RS features an iconic, wide spindle grille. This grille has been reimagined for this model, giving it an even more striking and dynamic appearance. The grille seamlessly integrates with the sharp LED headlights, which have a futuristic, angular shape, adding to the car's aggressive look. Just beneath the grille, you'll find large air intakes. These not only enhance the RS's athletic appeal but also improve engine cooling. The sculpted hood is another standout feature. It's designed to look both sleek and aerodynamic, while enhancing the vehicle's performance. The raised lines on either side create a muscular, focused look, drawing the eyes toward the powerful engine beneath. Moving along the sides, the 2025 Lexus RS showcases a long, flowing roofline that gives the vehicle an athletic yet elegant profile. The roofline is complemented by the sculpted side panels, which contribute to the car's aerodynamic efficiency. The bold, flared wheel arches add to its muscular appearance, highlighting the performance potential that lies within. Lexus has given the RS a lower, wider stance. This enhances its road presence and ensures it looks agile, even when standing still. Speaking of wheels, the 2025 RS offers an impressive selection of alloys. From 19-inch to 21-inch options, the wheels are designed to be both lightweight and strong, ensuring excellent handling and ride comfort. These wheels are complemented by wide, low-profile tires, offering both style and performance. The aggressive fitment gives the RS a more planted stance on the road. Now, let's talk about the rear. The back of the 2025 Lexus RS is just as impressive as the front, with a design that's both sleek and functional. The rear is dominated by sharp, angular LED taillights that mirror the design of the front headlights, creating a cohesive, futuristic look. The rear also features an integrated rear spoiler. This enhances the car's aerodynamics, improving downforce and stability at high speeds. The rear diffuser is another key feature. It's designed to help with airflow and reduce drag, improving the vehicle's overall performance. The dual exhaust outlets on either side of the rear bumper further enhance the sporty character of the RS. These exhaust tips are beautifully integrated into the rear design, creating a sense of harmony between style and performance. The 2025 Lexus RS comes in a range of vibrant exterior colors, including some new shades that accentuate its sharp lines and dynamic shape. Colors like Sonic Iridium, Ultra White, and a new Cloudburst Gray provide a perfect canvas to show off the car's stunning exterior. Each color highlights different aspects of the design, whether it's the aggressive front end or the sleek side profile. The car's exterior design isn't just about looks, it's also about performance. The 2025 Lexus RS has been carefully crafted to reduce drag, improve stability, and optimize cooling, all of which contribute to its driving performance. The car's wide stance, low roofline, and aerodynamic features make it not just beautiful to look at but also incredibly efficient on the road. In terms of performance, the 2025 RS's exterior has been designed to support its powerful engine. Lexus has ensured that the RS can maintain high speeds and corner with precision, all while looking stunning. Every line, curve, and detail has been meticulously crafted to enhance both its appearance and performance. So, whether you're admiring the front grille, the side profile, or the rear design, the 2025 Lexus RS is a true work of art. It's a car that demands attention, combining elegance and athleticism into one stunning package. From the aggressive stance to the refined details, the 2025 Lexus RS is a vehicle that stands out in every way. That's it for today's in-depth look at the 2025 Lexus RS's exterior. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews right here on Unity Car. Until next time, keep driving in style.